Hello and welcome once again. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video we're going to work on how to delete a split in Capcut. Now I want to delete a split in Capcut. So to do this, just simply follow the steps I'm going to show you. The first thing you're going to do is locate the split. Now find a specific point on the timeline where you made the split, and it's usually indicated by a vertical line. Let me show you how to make a split. Let's say I want to make a split right here. So up here you can see split, click on it. Now this is the split. Another way you can do, just press down the two keys, Ctrl and B. Now this is to delete to the left, this is to delete to the right. So this is our split. The first option over here is for the split. Don't worry, don't forget it's Ctrl B. And now you've made the split. So if you move away, you can see the split here. See it here. Now I've made the split. Now I want to delete it. Next, I want to make another split here, so I can delete the part that I split. Okay, let's say then I do the same thing. I split it. So this is the aspect that has been split. Now this has highlighted the segment of the video that has split. You can see it. Now I want to delete this particular segment. So what I'll do is tap on the delete button. Now in this case I'm using a PC, so right click and then click on delete, or from here highlight it like this and just press delete in your keyboard, and the two will work. So delete is gone, and that's it. This will remove the selected portion of the video, effectively removing the split. Now you can join the remaining segments together. If you're using a phone, you have to join the remaining segments together, but if you're using a PC, it automatically joins together. So, and you don't have to merge them, they're already together. As you can see, they're already together. Then if you accidentally deleted the wrong segment, or you want to undo the split, you can simply tap or click on this, which is the undo button. So the split is back, you can see. And that is it. By following these steps, you can easily delete splits in Capcut and refine your video edits. It's as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, if you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell.